Que en paz descanse. 10:49. Vamos a ver esa puesta en acción de Elaine Thompson. De momento ha salido bien. Sherika Jackson salió mejor que otro día. Ahora es cuando se va. Ahí es cuando está manteniendo más la velocidad máxima.
Cuidado.
Cuando no decae la velocidad casi nada al final. 10:72. Viento legal más 1.3. Era el viento que ella estaba pidiendo. Algo más de 1 metro por segundo a favor. Que no pasara de los 2 metros. 10:72 es récord del meeting. El récord que tenía justamente con 10:74. La que el otro día fue su...
Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now, people. So, Olympic champion Elaine Thompson wins the Paris Diamond League meet in a record time of 10.72 seconds. That's a meet record, people. Elaine Thompson stormed to victory in the women's 100 meter at the Paris Diamond League on Saturday. Although the 33-year-old world record remains intact, the Jamaica star clocked a meet record of 10.72 seconds to see off compatriot and Tokyo bronze medalist Sherika Jackson in 10.97 seconds. So Elaine Thompson won in 10.72 seconds. Sherika Jackson came in second in a time of 10.97 seconds, people. Shelly pulled out of the 100 meter today because she said she's tired and fatigued. So she rests up, people, for the next Diamond League meet set to happen soon. You see me, people? So, people, the full result of the women's 100 meter Diamond League meet in Paris are as follows. Elaine Thompson finished first in a time of 10.72 seconds. Sherika Jackson finished second in a time of 10.97 seconds. Dina Asher Smith finished third in 11.06 seconds. And there was also another Jamaican in there, Natasha Morrison, who finished in a time of 11.09 seconds. She came in fourth. Fifth place was Monjiga Kabonji in a time of 11.12 seconds. Sixth was Daryl Nita in a time of 11.12 seconds. Seventh was Ajija Del Ponte in a time of 11.2 seconds. Not sure if I'm pronouncing some of these names correctly, people. Just bear with me. And eighth place was Alexandra Bergatti in a time of 11.21 seconds, people. So that was the full result of the women's 100 meter in Paris today. So once again, people, big up Elaine Thompson. You see me? I know say she must be tired by now, people. She been running for about 2-3 months straight non-stop now, people. So you don't know say bugalows and things in sandals are wait pan her, wait pan she and Sharik and Shelly and everybody, you see me, people. So she just try to finish the season strong. We wouldn't mind seeing a world record, you see me, people. And Shelly and Elaine kind of push each other, you know, people, when them are run. Them feed off each other's running. So I know if Shelly was in this race, the time probably would have been faster. You see me? But once again, nonetheless, big up yourself, Elaine. Job well done once again. Big up yourself, Sherika. Big up yourself, Natasha Morrison. And you don't know, saying how they make Jamaica and proud as usual. It wasn't the 1, 2, 3 that we used to, but we're going to deal with the 1, 2 and a 4th place finish. You see me? Jamaicans run the track system, you see me, people. Much love and appreciation to each and every woman out there that represent Jamaica. The men them as well too, you see me? So once again, people, Elaine Thompson won the 100 Diamond League meet in Paris, France in a time of 10.72 seconds. I'll give you more updates on this later on, people. Alright, big up on yourself once again. Much love and appreciation as usual. Bless up, people.